I have a hose issue. Next thing I did was I got rid of the damaged part. As you can see, I just sliced it. I used the handsaw because this hose is pretty sturdy. And as you can see, I sliced it over here and I sliced on this part over here. So now we have this area where we need to fill and make sure that it's sturdy enough so the water can go through without any leaks. So what I did next was I went to Home Depot and I brought one of these pieces with me, the one piece that I cut, so they can see the width and the diameter of the pipe. What he presented to me was the exact pipe that I needed. I needed two of these particular, what are they called? God knows what the hell they're called, but they're called twister couplings. You need two of those. You need a bunch of clamps. You're going to need that poly pipe pinch clamp tool, and I'll explain what this is going to be used a little bit later. Okay, so now I have the pipe. I need to measure it, make sure that it's going to fit on both sides and that there's enough room where after I put the clamps on and the necessary pieces together, that it'll fit nice and snug. Okay, once I cut the pipe to its real size that I need, we're going to take both of these pieces and screw one end into one and screw in one to the other. But before you do that, make sure that you put your clamps in first. So I'm going to put two just to be safe. Okay, and you want to put two on the other side as well. Okay, just to make sure that once you put this on, this has got to be nice and tight. And then you'll also need to repeat on the other end too as well. All right, so I managed to get one in. As you can see, I have two clamps here and two of the clamps here. And I have the middle one, and I banged it in because I only screwed it. I screwed in like as much as I can by hand. And then I banged it in the rest. So now this fits. Now on this side over here, this was a little tricky. This is going to be longer than this. So you need to, what I did was I dug out more of a trench to take the hose out, and then I fed it through, and now I'm banging it in so it's flush. And that's what I'm doing now, is I'm just banging this thing in so it's going to fit right in. I'll show you the finished product as soon as I'm done banging. But that's all I'm doing. See? Banging it in, making sure this is aligned with this. And of course, I have my two clamps here and I have my two clamps there. Okay, so now they're connected on this side and they're connected on this side. Now we're going to use the pincher to tighten up the clamps. The way you do that, I use two. By the way, all you need is one, but I use two just in case we don't want to do this job again. I could probably punch this in a little bit more, probably will. But just to show you what you need to do here, you take the pincher and you see where these two grooves are. You make sure it's on the grooves, and then you clamp it down like that, and then that will tighten it up. Make sure it's very, very tight, otherwise you're going to get a leak. Just to show you what I mean, I have the two edges here, and I'm pressing down very, very tight, and then I'm releasing. And as you can see, it's extremely tight down there. We're going to do another one, and we're going to keep on doing it from this side here, this side, that side, all four sides. And here's your finished product. All beaten down, clamps are on, all beaten down, clamps are on. I ran the water looks fine, no leakage. We are done. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please hit subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.